You're welcome to today's tutorial. This is a complete mini with a sign of um, the third person, which is before your screen. And to enlarge this further, MAN or and then the price tag is 19 liras. And here is MANY on a circle with slashes and the appropriate numeric denotations with 5, 1, 2, 4, which emanated to 12. And then the next is the cancellation of the above company, and then the equal appropriate numeric figure for the dollar today and the codes. And the next is, as you can see, you can read this from the code, is everyone and the appropriate price for the blue ink, and then the time circulation. And so the finals is the proper treatment for Red Cross Society in the sixth sense. The next is the reconciliation of the computer interface with an appropriate understanding for newbies. The next is and then the next is the originality. And then the next is the incorporative research for forwarding. And the next is the finals. Okay, now to further give some elaboration with big boys in town.
Russian Village Boys, Senor Snoller, worldwide, fucking your suka, drinking your vodka.